You remember the moment it happened, not just the betrayal, but the silence that followed, the strange quiet inside your chest when someone you trusted revealed who they really were. Suddenly the memories feel different, the promises sound hollow, and you start asking yourself the same painful question over and over. How did I not see it? Here's the paradox. The very thing that made you vulnerable, your loyalty, your empathy, your willingness to believe in people, is exactly what they used against you. They thought that kindness made you weak. They thought betrayal would shatter you. But what they didn't expect is that betrayal doesn't just hurt a person. Sometimes it wakes them up. Psychology calls this betrayal trauma. When trust collapses, the brain enters hypervigilance, a heightened awareness where your mind starts scanning everything for hidden intentions, conversations, tone, small behaviors. Things you once ignored suddenly become obvious patterns. Then comes cognitive dissonance, a conflict between the person you believed they were and the person they proved themselves to be. Your mind becomes a battlefield between memory and reality. But slowly something changes. Your brain adapts, your emotional boundaries strengthen. The same mind that once trusted easily begins recognizing red flags with surgical precision, and yet there's a cost. The real pain of betrayal isn't just losing someone, it's grieving the version of them that never truly existed. It's grieving the version of you who trusted without hesitation. Carl Jung once said, "No tree can grow to heaven unless its roots reach down to hell." Betrayal forces your roots deeper. You might notice it now in your life. You analyze people more carefully. You protect your energy. You become independent in ways you never planned to be. But these aren't personality flaws. They're survival patterns your mind created to protect you. And the moment healing begins is when you stop asking, "Why did they betray me?" and start asking, "What did this teach me about my worth?" Because the people who betrayed you expected you to stay broken. What they didn't expect was that losing them would be the moment you finally found yourself.